Hello friends, welcome with a ZCar M with my Logic 5.5 presentation with regards to crossfading, which means you want to create an fade out and fade in using two WAV files. As you know, you cannot import MP3, so you need to stick on WAV files, I think AIF as well, and MIDI of course. Here we have two MIDI files. I don't go into the details how to import the audio tracks. This is a very basic thing. And yeah, I think you know this already. Okay, so it is very straightforward. Okay, as you can see here, this audio file is a little bit too long, so I like to make a little bit shorter here. Just drag into the region a little bit to the left, touching the right lower corner, button corner of the region, and okay, because here we have a fade out already. Of course, I like to make a hard fade out, so well, a smooth fade out, but a hard ending here, so you can see the effect. I can set a loop here above the two, in the middle of the two WAV files. Here on the left hand side, actually there are two possibilities to do it. You mark it here, okay, then you see here the field without, you hold it down, the left mouse, you click on X, and you stay inside this area. You hold your mouse somewhere here or beside, click down the left mouse and hold it and move up the region. Okay, in this case, I tried it before, it is just too wide. This is a way to do it. You can see here already a green, yeah, it is a part of an X. This is one way to do it. You can hold it down and you raise it up. And this is one way to, later on you will see an X here, okay? So, but I go back. The easiest way is you can see a V, this is a V to the left with a, you know what I mean. You just click on it and you can see already the cursor change. Sorry for my bad English. And the most easiest thing is, I'm gonna go back with a Control Z. I just remove this one here. Okay. The most easiest way is to drag it here from the left to the right. Voila. I don't know, the X does not look really like an X, but let's see how it sounds. I hope the sound is not too loud. I am on a VirtualBox, virtual environment, because I'm on a Mac, and I still don't have my Thunderbolt external hard drive, so still my Seagate, which I use for my PC, and it is getting the data a little bit too slow, so it might be there's a cracking, so whatever, a little bit slower. So you heard already what is it like. I'm sorry for the bad sound, because as I mentioned, I still have my external Windows external hard drive, not a fast Mac Thunderbolt USB 2 or USB 3, so external hard drive, so it is a little bit hard to work on it on the Logic 5.5 with a Mac in my situation now here. Okay, actually that's it. You can, as far as I know, you can arrange the curve here. You just hold it down. Let's see what happens. Yeah. So you see the green field here, the green X is changing its shape. And actually this is what I wanted. Let's try again. Alright, that's it. Actually, that's all. If you have any questions, just give me a shout. Please subscribe to all my videos. And thank you for watching. Sorry for my bad English again. And have a nice day. Thank you and bye-bye.